Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this gorgeous pair of paper earrings, heart shaped. They are so easy to make and quite beautiful. Okay, let's get started to create these stud earrings. We will need to use 2 strips of paper in red if you want, or another color as you prefer. My strips are long 50 centimeters each of them. Okay, now you will need something to round and roll your strip. I will use this toothpick. Okay, we will need to do in this way. Okay, now we will start to roll, and we go on rolling our strip. Okay, okay, now roll till the end. Okay, 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 now we have finished to roll. Okay, now we will need to do in this way. Okay, leave our paper to open a little. Okay, and now with some glue, the tacky one, the tacky glue, we will glue the end part. Okay, press your paper. Now leave it to dry a little, and now with our finger we will create the heart shaped. Okay, we will do in this way. You will need to press down this part. Okay, and with this finger we will do in this way. Okay, and with the other two we will create this heart-shaped form. Voila, quite easy. Now, okay, if you want you can glue the shape, or as I did, you can use only some nail polish. I use the glitter one, and then you will put your heart-shaped paper earring on something that you can use as a base, and you will cover your earring with nail polish, glitter nail polish in red, or if you prefer in another color, in silver, in gold, or if you don't have any nail polish, glitter nail polish, you can use some vinyl glue, and then you can cover after put your vinyl glue on your paper art, you can cover it with some glitter. Okay, now we will need to cover all our heart shape, so we will cover all the part, all the shape. And then once dried, you can put another coat of nail polish. So now, okay, now leave it to dry. Okay, and here our finished shape with covered in all parts. Now we will need some glue, possibly a glue suitable for rings, this is for all purpose. It's a all purpose for hobbies, crystals, and anything. Okay, we will need to glue our, sorry, but I don't know why it does in this way each and every day I use this. Okay, now we will need to glue our post earring here in order to create our stud earring. Okay, voila. And this is better to leave it to dry for half a day or 24 hours, because it's better that your glue is quite strong. Okay, so here your earring, and here the finished earrings. Voila, I think they are quite nice and they are so easy to make. I created also a smaller version of these earrings. In this case I used 2 strips, but one strip of 50 centimeters that I cut in half, and so 2 little strips. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this idea, and please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.